Hello Crusader fans, Tom Lamb here. As always, welcome to the Big Show. This is Crusader Center. Last Friday, the varsity basketball team defeated St. Rita 49-48 on senior night.
Moustakis thought about the three, passes it up. Nice pass to Cosme. Cosme lays it up, and a foul! What a find from Luke Moustakis, and way to finish by Colin Cosme.
Congrats to seniors Brandon Bryant, Eddie Burke, Quinn Clifford, Colin Cosme, Frank Kania, Garrett Green, Luke Moustakis, and Tyler Showers. This win set the stage for the team's final game of the season at St. Lawrence.
That pass was meant for Henderson, actually, but he dropped it and it went right back to the Crusaders, luckily. And Moustakis is going to take a three.
The Crusaders finished their season on a high note, crushing the Vikings 69-45 to win the Chicago Catholic League Championship. Congratulations to Coach Frazier and the Hooping Crusaders. Speaking of conference championships, the varsity bowling team competed in the CCL tournament last Saturday in Hillside Bowl. After a slow start, the Rolling Crusaders dominated the competition to win the CCL championship. The team's Baker's format of score 2-4-1 secured the victory, led by Tony Lundy, Josh Bell, Brendan O'Malley, Ryan Kirkman, Colin Rice, and Tom McMahon. Special congrats out to Tony Lundy, who won the CCL individual championship as the league's top bowler. The varsity swimming and diving team also competed at their conference meet on Saturday. The senior Kieran Schumacher swam personal bests of 100 free and 50 free, finishing second and third in these events. Congratulations to Kieran and all of our swimming Crusaders. In varsity hockey action, the skating Crusaders scored a huge 6-1 win over neighborhood rival St. Rita on Friday night. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in next week, and don't forget to subscribe to the Brother Ice YouTube channel.